గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టీచర్స్. ఇవాళ మనం మాడ్యూల్ 4 కు సంబంధించి పోర్ట్ఫోలియో మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో చూద్దాం. ముందుగా మీ పేరు, మీ స్కూల్ పేరు, మీరు ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, అదేవిధంగా డైస్ కోడ్, మండల్, టాపిక్ అనేది రాస్తాం. సో ఈ పోర్ట్ఫోలియోలో జెండర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇన్ ఏ లెసన్. సో మనం జెండర్ ఈక్విటీని లెసన్ లో ఏ విధంగా చొప్పించి చెప్పగలమనేది. సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్ ఎనీ టాపిక్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఐడెంటిఫై హౌ జెండర్ క్యాన్ బి ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. ఏ విజువల్స్, బి కంటెంట్, సి టీచింగ్ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రాసెస్, డి హిడెన్ కరిక్యులం, యూజ్ ఆఫ్ లోకల్ examples. Introduction. Attaining gender justice is not an easy task. From time immemorial, a girl child has been considered as an unwanted entity and a burden that the parents would not mind doing away with. Majority of women are still unable to enjoy the rights and opportunities guaranteed them. అస్సలు ఇవాళ మనం జెండర్ ఈక్విటీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఎందుకు ఏర్పడిందంటే, మెయిన్గా సమాజంలో తల్లిదండ్రి అనేవాళ్ళు ఆడబిడ్డ అంటేనే బరువుగా ఆలోచించడం వల్లనే ఇలాంటిది ఏర్పడింది. పుట్టుకకు ముందే అబార్షన్స్ చేయించేసుకోవడం, పుట్టిన తర్వాత కూడా ఆడపిల్లవి అక్కడికి వెళ్లేదానివి అన్నట్లు మాట్లాడడం, కనీస రైట్స్ కూడా ఆడపిల్లలు అనుభవించలేని పరిస్థితి. సో వీటన్నిటికి కారణాలు ఏంటంటే, ట్రెడిషన్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ సిస్టమ్, లో లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ లిటరసీ, మోర్ హౌస్ హోల్డ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్, ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ అవేర్నెస్, నాన్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ప్రాపర్ గైడెన్స్, లో మొబిలిటీ. ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాజ్ ఆఫ్ జెండర్ డిస్పారిటీ ఆర్ పావర్టీ, లిటరసీ, unemployment, social customs, belief and anti-female attitudes. So, now we are discussing about women empowerment. In this picture we see Kalpana Chawla. She is the first woman astronaut in India. Look at this picture. We are all known. She is the well-known person of India, Mother Teresa. She is Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She got Nobel Peace Prize, Beware Ratna, Bharat Ratna, Order of the Smile, Golden Honor of the Nation. So she is the symbol of humanity. Look at this picture. She is the famous IPS in our India, named Kiran Bedi. She is the first lady IPS of India. Her courage and achievements have a great influence on the younger generation of India. Look, Sarojini Naidu. Her nickname is Nightingale of India. She is the famous freedom fighter and poet. Durgabai Deshmukh. She was an Indian freedom fighter, lawyer, social worker and politician. She got Padma Vibhushan award also. I bring a lesson from 3rd class English reader. Help me, please. So content. One day a farmer was sowing seeds in his field too. The rabbit hopped away. So I bring this content. In this content, I give so many activities to symbol of equality. Look at ones of activities. Activity 1. Students form groups. Each group have 5 members. Acts like fisherwoman, cobbler, tailor, driver, etc. All students do the same way and know importance of the professions. Activity 2. Conduct a drama about professions. both children play together happily and acquire knowledge. Thus, we integrated gender in the lesson. Some more step to gender equality in school. Awareness programs in the importance of gender equality and girls' education are to be conducted to the community leader, community members, parents, teachers and students. Boys are to be trained in adopting positive attitudes and give up prejudice approaches towards girls and behave responsible way, respecting the dignity and rights of girl students. Okay, now we are discussing about hidden curriculum activities. In hidden curriculum activities comes under co-curricular activities also. So, children who promote gender equality are to be identified and rewarded. Cultural items like drama, dance, ballets, etc. are to be presented in the schools to promote gender equality. Articles and news items on the gender equality are to be published in local papers and school news boards. Activities for gender equality like walk for gender equality, sports event for gender equality, etc. to be organized in the school. A wall poster may be developed to convey the message of gender equality. A video clipping may be developed and spread the message of gender equality. An office may be started to achieve gender equality. So, look these pictures. These are the activities for making gender equality in our schools, and also there is some more suggestions, activities for teachers to make gender equality in the school's premises. The suggested activities for teachers. Introductory topic on gender issues, organization of workshops, guiding students on prospective gender issues, analysis of gender issues in the teaching material. These are the activities for teachers in the school when we explaining the topic and also giving activities. Here I am giving one local example which I am seen in my neighbor village. Ramya and Chandraya are couple. They lived in a village named Gangavaram. Ramya also victim of child marriage. She have 2 children. She do field works also. After 8 years of marriage, she faced so many problems in her life. Finally, she decided to continue to her studies. She studied D.Ed 2 years and write DSc exams. Finally, she succeeded in DSc. Now she works as teacher and lived happily. Okay, then conclusion. The National Plan on Education considered the status of women and their education. The plan suggested using education as a tool to enhance the status of women. I think education is the tool to empower of the women. When we got gender equality in society, we see peace, powerful country, I think. Thank you so much. Please tune my channel. Stay watching. Thank you friends. Take care of yourself.